Everybody, it's week 2. We are still going to be working with quadratics this week. Since we do not have school on Friday, you guys have everything due on Thursday. So remember, everything is going to be due on Thursday. Now, I gave you the warning here. It says it may seem like a lot of work, but there's not as much work as intensive, so you're going to use that time to work for this class. So you first have factoring notes. These notes are only, 17 minutes. I know it's a little bit longer than usual, or that's like just about right. You're going to submit a picture and then completing the square. This video is 12 minutes and 45 seconds. Again, not that long, so for 2 notes in 1 week, the videos aren't very long, all right? Submit a picture of both notes. You have a worksheet, all right? So since it's a worksheet, I highly recommend that you ask me to check your work before beginning the quiz. Have me check this, so that way I know you're on the right page, or like that way you understand everything, and you're ready to take the quiz, and then you can go ahead and take the quiz here. I don't want to show you the questions. So again, please, and I wrote it in the checklist, ask me to check your work before beginning the quiz. If you need anything else, let me know.